It's Janie again. Today, we're going to have an all about Abby's scavenger hunt. Because Abby and I both love to follow clues. Come on! My dad made up the clues, but he didn't tell me the answers. And if we get to the end, there's a surprise. Here goes the first clue. The very first step you have to take is with a best friend and a special shake. That's easy! Abby's best friend is Fuzzly. Come on, Fuzzly, let's shake. That didn't do anything. Does it mean milkshakes instead? That doesn't sound right. Right star! Abby loves to do secret handshakes. Ready to give it a try? High five. Fist bump. Hip bump. Spin around. It's another clue! Thanks for your help, Fuzzly. For the next clue, draw the pick on the paper pitch pipe. It should be quick. My paper pitch pipe! It's in my trunk. I know it's here somewhere with my Abby stuff. Fuzzly's helmet. Pink Abby bows. Disco ball. Aha! Here it is. If this was the real show, all the peepers would come running.
Time for the paper pitch pipe.
Now, I just have to draw this picture. It's easy. I'll show you how to do it. First, draw a big circle for the face. 2 eyes. And a big smile. Don't forget the tooth. It looks splizzacular. It just needs some color. It's another clue. I have 4 legs, but no feet. When you get tired, have a seat. 4 legs, but no feet. Princess Flug has no legs. Bosley has 2 legs. Besides, when I'm tired, I don't sit on my Fuzzlies. This riddle is hard. I need to sit down to think. Double brain spark! Maybe it's not someone with feet. It's something. My chair! Solve this riddle on the double. What do you do when there's Fuzzly trouble? When the Fuzzlies are in trouble, Abby gets a signal on her Fuzzly spotter. But mine's just pretend. Unless the clue has been on my wrist this whole time. Got it. You solved the last riddle. That was me. Look under your bed for a Fuzzly treat. Cookie! Thanks for watching, Abby fans. Hope you had fun on our scavenger hunt. Have a fantastic day and see you next time. Abby's a girl who loves going on fuzztastic adventures with her Fuzzly friends like these ones. Abby always gets her Fuzzlies out of trouble, too. Abby and I have so much in common. We both have splizzacular gadgets, like these goo gripper gloves. I made them myself. Come check out these other gadgets. Paper pitch pipe, Zoom review specs, and Pogo spring shoes. Whoa. Now, on to the show. For fans who don't know much about Abby, I made this fun game to catch you up. Here's the All About Abby Wheel. Each spin will land on one of Abby's favorite things. But before we get started, I'm gonna need some help. This is Fuzzly, Abby's best friend and sidekick. Fuzzly's gonna help me spin the wheel. Home. Where does Abby live? That's easy. She lives in the Hatcher Palace Hotel. Her parents run the hotel and she gets to live there. I'll give you a tour, but I need to grab something. Ta-da! Just like Otis's elevator hat. Now it's like I work at the hotel too. It has secret passageways, an elevator with tons of buttons, and stairs that turn into slides. How splizzacular is that? Time to spin again. Fuzzlies. I know everything about the Fuzzlies. I can answer any questions, even balancing on this. Whoops. This is tricky. Okay, I have to keep my balance and name the Fuzzlies. You can do it with me. Princess Flug, Mo and Bo, the Squeaky Peepers. I know all their names. Big Doe, Ray, me, Fa, So, La, Ti. Whoops! This is hard. Abby would keep trying, so that's what I'm gonna do. Big Doe, Ray, me, Fa, So, La, Ti. I gotta finish this game and find a way to do it. Right, Far! Of course! I need help from my trusted sidekick, Fuzzly. Abby loves help from her Fuzzly friends. Big Doe, Ray, me, Fa, So, La, Ti, and Little Doe! Yay! Thanks for your help, Fuzzly. Time to spin again. Dancing! But not just any dance. It's a disco dance party, just like the one Abby had with the Fuzzlies. Music and disco lights, activate!
Abby Hatcher, monster catcher. She's gonna get ya, 'cause that's what she was born to do. Abby Hatcher, monster catcher. No one is better at catching monsters on the loose. Abby Hatcher, monster catcher. Hey, hey, she's gonna get ya.
Wait a minute. I have an idea to make this dance party even more splizzacular. Roller skates! But first, to do it safely, it's time to gear up. Helmet, check. Knee and elbow pads, check, check. Roller skates, check. Time to roller
Abby
dance!
Hatcher, monster catcher. She's gonna get ya, 'cause that's what
Thanks
she
for
was born to
watching,
do.
Abby fans. Have a fantastic day and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.